I call these the best chicken skewers in the air fryer for a reason because they literally are the best chicken skewers that you can make. Look at the chicken, how soft, moist, and juicy this chicken is. So let's begin. So I took the chicken breast here. You can use chicken thigh. Add the spices, very less ingredients. So this chicken marinade was missing some color, so I added some dried parsley and there it is, perfect. Then I took bamboo chicken skewers and soaked them for 30 minutes in water. I usually cut my chicken into these thin strips and like kind of fold them on the skewers instead of cutting the chicken in cubes, because this way the chicken cooks very quickly and like proper evenly, and the skewers look pretty as well. The air fryer that I'm using is currently on sale, and I'm gonna be putting the link for the air fryer in my profile bio in my Amazon store as well, and it's gonna be linked in my story as well for the next 24 hours. So those of you who are looking to buy an air fryer, this is such a nice air fryer, so you can go ahead and you can buy this one as well. I highly recommend it. Then I made like kind of a glaze to go on the chicken skewers once they were ready. Brush the skewers generously with the glaze, and that's it. You're ready to go. These are so good on their own. You can make wraps as well. I serve these with rice and salad. That's like my favorite kind of meal. And enjoy.